Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Welcome your guests to the dining table with this amazing Kachri Qeema. Very tasty yet easy to cook and can definitely please your taste buds. Minced meat marinated and then cooked on low flame until done and then in-fumed with coal to get a barbecue flavor. Cook this traditional recipe and make your mealtime more special. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So things we need will be some grounded beef, Qeema. Then I have some fried onions, yogurt. Then I'll be using some raw papaya paste, kacha papita. Then I have green chili paste. I'll be using ginger and garlic. Then I have this safed chane, roasted split chickpeas. This is the package which is available in all the desi stores. That's all I used. Then in terms of the seasoning, I have some salt, red chili powder, garam masala powder, cumin powder, and then I have this nutmeg and mace powder, jaifal javitri powder. So these are all the ingredients which I'll be using today. Let's go and make it happen. So first in the mixing bowl, add ginger garlic paste with the Qeema, raw papaya paste and chili paste. Then rest of your seasoning, salt, red chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder and jaifal javitri powder. Start mixing until all your ingredients are completely combined with the Qeema. I prefer to use my hand. And then just cover, let it marinate for 6 to 8 hours or preferably overnight. Now to give your Qeema a barbecue smoky flavor, I just burn the piece of charcoal, put it in a small bowl, put it in the middle of my marinated Qeema and then just drop few drops of oil. As soon as the smoke started coming out, just cover and let the Qeema infused with this coal flavor. You can do this after cooking the Qeema as well. Either way, it's perfectly alright. Now heat your grease. You can use butter, oil or ghee. Today I'm using ghee, and then transfer your marinated Qeema into your pot. And then start mixing and start cooking on medium to high flame until your Qeema start changing its color. Now bring your flame to its lowest setting and cover, simmer and let this mixture cook until water dries out. You can check in between, stir in intervals, and here you can see I just opened up my lid after like 40-45 minutes. Water is almost dried out and my Qeema is almost to its doneness. So after mixing, I covered it again and let it cook until water completely dries out. Now check again after 10 to 15 minutes, stir your Qeema, and then now it's time to add your whipped yogurt. So just stir again, mix yogurt with the Qeema and let it cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. And then it's time to add your crushed and fried onion in it. Mix again until onions are completely mixed with the Qeema mixture, and then again cover and let it cook for 10-15 more minutes. Yogurt will release its own water and we need to cook that at this point. So as you can see, after 10-15 minutes, oil is coming on top. So just stir again and then add your roasted chickpea powder, safed chane ka powder, and if that's not available, you can use gram flour, besan as well. Just roast it on a griddle and then add in your Qeema mixture. So just cover and simmer and let this cook for like 10-15 more minutes. And if you think it's getting dried out after adding your chana ka powder, just add quarter cup to half cup of water. And that's it. Your Qeema is completely done and ready to serve. When we open a table, we build relationships, love and trust. We show our love through food. This is how we keep our heritage alive in our children. We share traditions through food. And coming from a Deliwala family, I bet this Kachri Qeema can warm your family and friends and bring them to the table. And if you make it at home, don't forget to take a picture, tag me on Facebook, Twitter or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family and click on the links to check my previous videos.